Akala mo dati, simple lang ang buhay. Hanggang sa tumanda ka at na-realize mong ang dami palang hindi mo na iintindihan noon. Things you only understand when you mature. Una, hindi lahat ng tao na kasama mo ngayon para sa future mo. Some people are only meant for one chapter, not the whole book. Pangalawa, tahimik na buhay is not boring. It's peace. Yung wala kang kadrama, walang kaaway, walang gulo. Blessing pala yun. Pangatlo, you realize the effort is louder than words. Hindi mahalaga kung ano yung sinasabi ng tao. Mas importante kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Fourth, you learn that distance is not always bad. Minsan, kailangan para gumaan ang loob mo, lumago ka, at makita mo kung sino talaga yung totoo. Next, you'll understand na hindi ka dapat nag-e-explain ng lahat sa lahat. The older you get, the more you protect your privacy. And lastly, you'll realize your parents were right about so many things. About friends, relationships, life choices. Lahat ng akala mong overacting lang, totoo pala. Growing up isn't just getting older. It's seeing life with clearer eyes and finally, choosing what's good for your peace.